Hello guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nisha Joshi and today I'll be talking about homegrown jewelry brands and jewelry must-haves. All the jewelry that I'll be showing you today are super trending and affordable. You can easily find them on Instagram stores, which I'll link in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out later. Before we go ahead with this video, I want you guys to scroll down and hit the subscribe button so you're always updated when I post a new video. Just to clear out, whatever jewelry that I'll be showing you guys today is not for ad purpose. It's purely my recommendations. I am fortunate enough that these brands are getting in touch with me for Instagram collaborations and sending me stuff to style it for IG posts. So these are gifted to me and not sponsored at all. Let's begin. Drum roll please. So I have segregated all these jewelries into two parts. One is full of dainty, minimalist, chunky golden jewelry, and the other one is all beaded and Y2K jewelry. The first three brands that I'll be talking about right now are modern contemporary jewelry. They're very dainty, chunky ones, and I'll be talking in price range. So the cheapest, not the cheapest, but the affordable one, and then something in mid-range, and then the highest range. The first brand is Ines. I'll just put the picture here and let me show you the jewelry that I got. First necklace is this Evil Eye one. Absolutely love it. Since I was obsessed with Evil Eye so much, they sent me two different sets. One was that necklace and the other one was this bracelet, which I absolutely love. It's in rose gold and I styled this with a green crop top, as you can see. Third one was this N Initial. It's quite big, but honestly I love it. I styled it with black tank top. Since this is a very minimal jewelry, I thought might as well just style it with something basic. And I took this picture in lockdown and it boosted my account way too much, and I think this is one of the best sellers. These jewelries actually range around 900 to 1000 or something around that range. So you can definitely check these out. It's pretty cool. I love this brand. This is the first jewelry brand that I ever collaborated with, so I absolutely love them. Second jewelry brand is Testo. Their Insta account is Shop Testo. I absolutely love them because their product range is so affordable. The starting range would be around 200 to 300 bucks, and then it rises up, and the collection is brilliant. Honestly, my most favorite piece is this chunky chain. It's like a cuff link, which looks pretty cool. So this was one piece. Second chain that I got from them was this. It's a 3-layer chain. It has Cuban link kind, it has chunky one, so you can just style it with basics or on top of hoodie, which looks pretty amazing honestly. Next pieces that I got from them were these bracelets. I really like this pattern. I don't know what is it called, but it looks pretty cool to me, so I got this whole bunch of chains just for this one. It looks pretty cool if you want to stack it up or wear it for parties, or if you want to go for like a fancy dinner, you can definitely style this with your formal, semi-formal outfits. Last thing that I got from Testo were these earrings. It looks like a can opener thingy. I don't know what is it called. I styled these with a baby pink top recently on my Instagram post, and it looks freaking amazing. Honestly, it's a very nice design. I think you should definitely check out Testo. They have like really amazing designs. These earrings cost around 300 bucks. 300 bucks for like a nice design is not bad, honestly. So the next brand that I'll be talking about is my personal favorite. Especially the person who owns this. I absolutely love her style. Shout out to Sonia. She's too good. I think you should definitely go and check out her page. It's brilliant. Her fashion sense, her jewelry sense, everything is just too cool. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this daisy ring. I don't know, it's lately trending like crazy. It's a chunky ring. She sent me quite a few. I'll just show you guys. She sent this signet ring, which I find pretty cool. I thought I'll wear this on daily basis, but I just don't want to risk it and ruin the ring's quality or anything, so I try to be very careful with my jewelry. The third ring that she sent me was this croissant ring, which I pretty much love. See, it looks amazing. And I styled this on my Instagram as well. I'll just put the picture here. Then she sent me these cute AF earrings, small ones. They're very cute, adorable lock rings, earrings. I absolutely find these cute. You can wear it on regular basis, or if you're not in the mood to wear like a huge chunky earring or something that is too fancy or too much in the eye, you can simply go ahead with these minimalist earrings, which looks damn cool. Second pair of earrings would be these two chain earrings. It's like twisted rope, but look how cool it is. And I've styled it a couple times. I just cannot get over these. These are too cute and it looks damn elegant. Last thing that she sent me is this amazing butterfly necklace. Now I'm obsessed with butterflies and look how cool it is. I just love the texture on it. It looks amazing. I yet haven't styled this, but I cannot wait to style it. It looks amazing, and even the chain is twisted, so it looks damn cool. All these jewelries are from SNA Studios. Rings price range would be around 400 to 500 bucks. These earrings that I showed you and this butterfly necklace costs around 1k. I don't really know the exact price, so I'm just gonna put their website link in the description. You can just go ahead and check it out, or follow up on Instagram and just DM them simply. They'll definitely get back to you. Now let's talk about Y2K jewelry and beaded necklaces. First brand that I'll be talking about is Funk Doll. They don't really have many pieces on Instagram, but you can definitely ask them if you want specific customization. They'll definitely do it for you. First piece is this amazing pearl beaded necklace. I actually customized it with my older username, which is NishXJ, and I love that username. Might as well just have a necklace of it, and it looks pretty cool. I styled it with a blue oversized t-shirt and it looked amazing. Then she sent me this amazing metallic necklace, lock heart necklace. I find it very emo and funky. You can definitely style this with black clothes and just nice crop tops. It looked damn nice. Third one was this icon beaded necklace. It somehow gives me very Y2K vibe. It has icon written on it and I absolutely love this. I don't really know these Y2K and beaded necklaces brands price range because they don't have a website, but you can definitely DM them. They'll guide you with whatever price range they have and however you want to customize them. The second one that I'll be talking about is Kira. Now this very sweet girl sent me this pearl choker necklace and this bracelet, which is oxidized, and it has very cute charms, Hamza charm, butterfly charm, and I found it really cool. It's a bracelet. You can just style it as an anklet also, and I absolutely love this. She also sent me these two beaded necklaces, which I'm definitely gonna wear if I'm going to some beachy place, probably Goa, Bali, Maldives, I don't know, anywhere. I just hope I get to travel so I can wear these very cute stuff. She has a very good range in all these cute jewelries. You can definitely go check out her page. Third brand that I'll be talking about is Sunflower Fields. She has a very cute page. She sent me again very cute vacation-y jewelry. It has a starfish charm, and she also sent me these two cute beaded necklaces. You should definitely go check her out as well. We should definitely support all these small businesses by buying stuff from them. So please go ahead and check these pages out. I'll put their link in the description box. I think this is it. Talking about tips of jewelries, jewelry is something that completes your whole look. So always try to select timeless pieces if possible. You should always pick the right metal that suits you, suits your skin type. I personally prefer going for rose gold and gold, although I wear silver ring, but I still prefer jewelries in rose gold and gold. So always pick your metal right. You should always avoid using perfume on jewelry or around jewelry. Avoid putting them in water. It's just gonna ruin your jewelry more. Try taking care of your jewelry as much as possible. Always try to keep like small pouches for your jewelry. Just don't keep it in plastic bags, or just don't keep it laying around everywhere. It's gonna get rusty and it's gonna ruin your jewelry a lot. So try keeping these small dust bags, or ask your jewelry brand to specifically send cute tiny bag if they can, or you can always find it online. So just try keeping your jewelry safe. So that's about it for today, guys. If you have any questions, don't shy away to comment down below. I'll definitely reply to all the comments. Lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.